got a broke line for sure up in the ceiling here. Looks like the shower. Let's see where the water main is real quick. Oh. All right, we got it shut off. I'm just gonna see if I can see where it's coming from at all. Oh, I see it. It looks like a PEX line. It's opened up right here. See it? Right there. I don't know where it blew off of, but it blew off of something. Oh, sink, maybe. Maybe a little bit. Looks like a failed crimp there.
Any idea what it was?
I know exactly what it is. Found it.
Holy shit.
Somebody tried to put a piece of PEX in a compression line. That you can't do that. It ain't gonna work.
I don't even know what that is.
I understand what it is. So what it did is the line popped off. Came right off there. I'll show you. Come on down.
Okay,
Put your shoes on. It's not flooded. It ain't flooded or nothing. You can come down.
Oh, it's backed up.
No, it's the.
I know exactly what it is. I found it. I seen it coming out where it came out of and everything. I pulled the ceiling down so I could see. It's actually not a hard fix. Yeah, so right here. That's the other end of it right here. See it? See how it's off?
Oh.
So it was just pouring out of there.
Gotcha.
That's why you don't have hot water, because all the hot water ran out on the floor.
That's so crazy because we weren't even running the sink when it.
All right, so we got two. We got to grab that pipe up down there and bring it up. Looks like this is even off track too. We'll have to fix that as well. We're gonna take this off and put it a proper shutoff valve with PEX. So we're gonna do that now. All right, so the problem with the PEX setup is they use compression fittings, which go with copper only. PEX, gotta use these here, so we're gonna use the correct fittings. I've already cut back the PEX here. We're gonna just, all right, and insert that barb in. There we go. All right, so there we got it crimped. Got that one crimped. Now we're gonna put the line on. All right. Check that too, make sure. All right, I guess it's okay. This on. All right, so the water's back on. As you can see, no more leaking again anymore.